In today's video, I'll teach you how to top up on Tokopedia. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in tokopedia.com, press enter, or you can also open the Tokopedia application if you want. Now in the browser, you can see over here you'll be led to the Tokopedia interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're using the application, what you have to do is go to the balance interface. But in the browser, in this interface only, you'll be able to find this section for top up and bills. So what you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. You'll be able to find the options like Pulsar, packet data, etc. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after that, you'll have to input your phone number. Click on the filter phone number and enter the phone number over here. Now after you enter the phone number, what you have to do is select the nominal amount. Simply click on the field of nominal amount. After you do that, you'll be able to see the amount of top up that you'll be able to do. Simply click on it. After that, buy option will be activated. Simply click on this option, buy. Now once you click on the buy option, what you have to do is select the payment method. Right now, since I do not have the Indonesian phone number, I'm not being able to do it, but you'll be able to do it. So simply select the payment method of your choice. Now complete the payment. After the transaction is completed, your top up will be successful. So like this, you'll be able to top up. So that is how you top up on Tokopedia. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.